Hello, and welcome to Water Wisdom, brought to you by Healthy Best Life, where we uncover the truth about what's in your tap water and why making the switch to filtered water is crucial for your health. Did you know that what comes out of your tap might not be as pure as you think? Contaminants in tap water can include chlorine, heavy metals, microorganisms, and pharmaceuticals. Chlorine. Used to disinfect water, but prolonged exposure can have negative health effects. Heavy metals, lead, mercury, and other metals can leach into the water supply, posing serious health risks. Microorganisms, bacteria, and viruses may find their way into tap water, especially in poorly maintained systems. Pharmaceuticals. Residues from medications are increasingly being found in water supplies, with potential long-term effects. Why filtered water? Removes contaminants. Filtration systems are designed to eliminate chlorine, heavy metals, microorganisms, and pharmaceutical residues. Improved taste and odor. Say goodbye to the unpleasant taste and odor often associated with tap water. Protects your health. Filtering your water can help reduce the risk of exposure to harmful substances, promoting overall well-being. There are many different types of water filters available, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Here are a few of the most popular options. Pitcher filters. These filters are convenient and affordable, and they are a good option for small households. They are easy to use and transport, but they have a limited filtration capacity and may not remove all contaminants. Faucet-mounted filters. These filters are easy to install and suitable for renters. They provide instant filtration and remove a range of contaminants, but they have a limited flow rate and may not remove all contaminants. Under-sink filters. These filters offer comprehensive filtration for the entire household. They remove a wide range of contaminants and have a high flow rate, but they require installation and are more expensive than pitcher or faucet-mounted filters. UV water filters. These filters are effective at eliminating bacteria and viruses. They do not require chemicals or electricity to operate, and they are environmentally friendly, but they do not remove physical contaminants like sediment or chlorine. The best type of filter for you will depend on your individual needs and budget. In conclusion, being mindful of the water you consume is essential for your health. Consider making the switch to filtered water and take control of what goes into your body.
If you're interested in where to find the water filters discussed in this video, click the images or links in the video description.
Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Together, let's raise awareness about the importance of water quality. Stay hydrated, stay healthy,